Going up. I think it's Stokoa Gap. And the incline on that bitch is fucking crazy, dude. It's one of the highest and most rapid jump ups in the whole trail.
Really?
Yeah. That'll be in North Carolina though, so we got a week or two.
So folks, we are currently walking. Nick, you can take a little wave back there to the camera. Say hi to all your fans.
Oh, salty. Maybe that should be it.
Salty! Salty. So, trying to get you guys kind of like a, side view, if you were, with us, what it would look like, kinda. It's honestly, film does not do much of it justice, sure, but it's pretty cool. What's up, guys? How's it going? Love your earrings. Dude, his ears are gauged out, bro. Could fit Katahdin in his ears. Anyway, it's a beautiful day. We got rejuvenated and recharged at Above the Clouds Hostel. Huge shout out to you guys, Lucky, Disco, Bounce. You guys are all awesome.
Chief. Don't forget Chief.
And Chief, Mr. Chief, cigar smoking daddy. Absolutely. I couldn't spend much time around him. He turned me on. I'm just kidding. I'm not. I'm not at all. I'm a terrible person. Anyway, met some really cool people out there. Pink, Colby. He was really cool.
Maybe we did like that gap.
Just lots of cool. Meet a lot of cool people out here so far. Me and Nick were both saying that. Wow, like what an amazing town.
I know when me and Papa stayed, we stayed at Mountain Crossing.
Yeah, the hostel there.
And I'm pretty sure
This is where he ran the rum around.
That's the rum run was on around the bend.
Okay.
Which I thought was at Neal's Gap, but it's Mountain Crossings at Neal Gap, which is just south of Blood Mountain, which is where they hang the shoes.
Right on. Oh. Just got taken out by a tree there.
What's going on up here? Is they fucking sword fighting?
I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and put this selfie stick away, guys. So. No, it doesn't. See you later.